She walks with grace through the stormy haze. The fire in her eyes, it could set ablaze. The mountains bow where her spirit stays. Oh yeah. The world may tremble, the winds may scream, but she holds her ground like a timeless dream. Strength unshaken like a flowing stream. Midnight root session calling me, a rhythm of life like the endless sea. Deep in the earth where the answers be, roots grow strong where the spirit's free. Time it bends like a river's curve, patience a lesson we all must serve. The tree may sway but it won't break, strength is born in what we take. Calling me, a rhythm of life like the endless sea. Deep in the earth where the answers be, roots grow strong where the spirit's free. King or a fool wearing the same crown, the soil holds truths no man can steal. Feel the pulse of the world, it's real. Under the banyan tree, wisdom flows. Roots run deep where the spirit knows. A whisper of time in the ocean's roar. Tell me, how do we find what we're searching for? The sun and moon, they share the sky. Teach me balance, teach me why. Mystic island breeze, carry me home through the tides of doubt, where the soul has grown. Mystic island breeze, set my heart free in your crumble to a lesson in change, in what's old and new. The stars map a path, but the journey's mine. Tell me, how do I make each moment divine? The wind has no chains, it dances wild. The earth bears the weight of every child. Freedom's not a place, it's a state of mind. Lose the fear and the truth you'll find. Mystic island breeze, carry me home through the tides of doubt, where the soul has grown. Mystic island breeze, set my heart free. In your rhythm, I find eternity. Roots run deep where the rivers flow wide. One seed planted grows a forest to the sky. The sun don't rush, but it still lights the day. Slow and steady finds the way. One step forward, no need to run. One voice singing can start the drum. One drop remedy, heal the soul. One drop remedy, make us whole. A little love, a little time. One drop remedy, rewinds the grind. Mountains whisper stories to the clouds. Patience holds the power unbowed. The wind it dances, but it never breaks. Lessons learned in every mistake. One spark kindles the flame to burn. One life lived is a life to learn. One drop remedy, heal the soul. One drop remedy, make us whole. A little love, a little time. One drop remedy, rewinds the grind. One drop. Roots run deep like the ancient oak. Fire in the veins, no time to choke. Earth whispers wisdom if you care to hear. Stand tall, my brother, cast out the fear. Lion heart beats strong in the storm when the world gets gets cold, keep it warm. Rise like the sun when the shadows call. Lionheart, dub, conquer them all. Lionheart, conquer them all. Lionheart, conquer them all. Dub, conquer them all. Waves may crash, but the ocean stays. Troubles fade like the passing haze. Truth is a drumbeat, steady and pure. In the rhythm of life, find your cure. Every triumph, every scar marks the journey to who we are. Lionheart beats strong in the storm. When the world gets cold, keep it warm. Rise like the sun when the shadows call. Lionheart, dub, conquer them all. Lionheart, conquer them all. Conquer them all. Life's a river winding wide. Don't let the current steal your pride. Plant your feet where the truth resides and